This is a 2013 Ford Taurus Limited. Has silver paint. Got the window tint. Got the reverse parking sensors, backup camera. Projector beam headlights with the LED daytime running lights. It has black leather seats. You have your air vents here on the rear of the console, as well as a 12-volt port. You do have your armrest and cup holder that flip down here. Got the wood grain accents on the door. The side mirrors are heated as well. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Got a power driver seat, as well as two different options for your driver memory seating. It has 63,000 miles. There's your cruise control and your Bluetooth. You got the automatic headlights, dual zone climate control with your backup camera. And this is all little touch buttons for your climate control and your radio. You have a push button for your trunk pop. Lots of different storage cubbies, cup holders, 12-volt port, stuff like that. And then in here you have a removable tray, and just on the underside there you have a 12-volt port, 2 USB, SD, and there's your red, white, and yellow ports. And up top you have your illuminated entry with your garage door opener. And this is remote keyless entry. And it has the remote start feature on it.